ग्रन्थाः तेषां स्मरणस्य दिवसः अस्ति। भारत स्वतन्त्रता दिनम् आगस्ट् मासस्य 15 दिनाङ्के अभारते आचर्यते। 1947 तमस्य वर्षस्य आगस्ट् मासस्य 15 दिनाङ्के भारत गणराज्यं स्वतन्त्रम् अभवत्। अतः एतद् भारत स्वतन्त्र दिनोत्सवत्वेन आचर्यते।
स्वयं महत्वा परिवर्तनस्य अनिश्चितायाः च काले जीवामः, परन्तु एकं वस्तु नित्यं तिष्ठति, अस्माकं स्वातन्त्र्यस्य लोकतन्त्र्यस्य च प्रति प्रतिबद्धः। वयं स्वातन्त्र्यतायाः समानतायाः च सिद्धान्तेषु स्थापितं राष्ट्रम् अस्मत्। धन्यवादः।
स्त्री जो दुनिया में घर घर की कहानी बन गई। इसी के साथ मैं देशभक्ति गीत के लिए प्राथमिक वर्ग के छात्र छात्राओं को आमंत्रित करता हूँ।
gather here to celebrate the remarkable journey of our nation towards freedom and sovereignty. This year, the 78th India's Independence Day 2024 is being celebrated with the theme of Viksit Bharat, which means Developed India. This theme reflects the Indian government's vision to transform our country into a developed nation by 2047, which will be the 100th anniversary of India's independence. Faith and chivalry, let it be a symbol of our shared aspirations and commitment for a better tomorrow. Happy Independence Day to one and all. Jai Hind.
उषा काल दिनकर की आभा वसुधा का आंचल धोती है, रात चंद्रिका होती जगमग हर उर में आशा बोती। मैं हूँ वासी उस धरती का जहाँ सृष्टि पूजी जाती है, मानव का सम्मान जहाँ और नारी की पूजा होती है। इन्हीं प्रकार के कुल अपने कुछ विचारों के आधार पे डांस प्रस्तुति लेकर के देशभक्ति डांस प्रस्तुति लेकर के कक्षा 6 से 8 तक के विद्यार्थी प्रस्तुत है। आमंत्रित।
इतिहास का आईना तहसीब का रंग सुनहरा, गंगा जमुना मेरी आंखें, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा। मैं कल भी था, मैं आज भी हूं, मैं नवयुग का अंदाज भी हूं। सारी दुनिया का घर मुझ में, इस मिट्टी का आदर मुझ में, मैं देशभक्त भी गहरा हूं, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा। मैं बेटी की मुस्कान में हूं, मैं नारी के सम्मान में हूं, मैं बेटी की मुस्कान में हूं, मैं नारी के सम्मान में हूं, विज्ञान में और किसान में हूं, हर वीर में और जवान में हूं, मैं सीमाओं का पहरा हूं, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूं, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूं, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूं।
रग रग में जोश की बूंदे, बूंदों में जीत ही गूंजे, इस गूंज से गिर जाएगा आसमान के में, सपनों के तूफानों को, की उड़ानों को, निशानों को आग जैसे बरसा दे ये
लेकर देश आगे बढ़ चला है, पथ सदा हमने चुना है, विश्व का जिसमें भला है। भारत की आज़ादी को आज 77 वर्ष पूरे हो चुके हैं तथा आज हम 78वां स्वतंत्रता दिवस मना रहे हैं। इन 77 वर्षों में देश ने विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में ऊंचाइयों को छुआ है और इन्हीं कीर्तिमानों को आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करने के लिए अपने विचारों को लेकर मंच पर मैं कक्षा 11 के विद्यार्थी अभिषेक को आमंत्रित करता हूं।
शिक्षकगण, मेरे सहपाठियों और उपस्थित अन्य सभी गणमान्य लोगों को मेरा नमस्कार। 15 अगस्त को इस स्वतंत्रता दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर मनाने के लिए हम सभी यहाँ एकत्रित हुए हैं। इस शुभ अवसर की आप सभी को ढेरों शुभकामनाएं और बधाई। आज इस शुभ अवसर पर मुझे आप सभी के बीच संबोधन करने का मौका मिला है, इसके लिए आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जैसा कि हम जानते हैं, 15 अगस्त हर भारतीय के एक सम्मान और गर्व का दिन है। 15 अगस्त सन 1947 को हमारे स्वतंत्र सेनानियों और क्रांतिकारियों ने अपनी जान की बाजी लगाकर हमारे देश को ब्रिटिश साम्राज्य से मुक्त कराया था और वो हमें अपने बलिदान और इस देश की आज़ादी का खजादर कर गए। इसलिए हम इसे ऐतिहासिक रूप से उनकी याद और सम्मान में इस दिन को मनाते हैं। आज़ादी के इस अवसर पर जहां हम देश के प्रगति के नए आयामों के बारे में चर्चा कर रहे हैं, वहीं हमें गुलामी के उस मंजर को कभी नहीं भूलना चाहिए जहां हमारे महान स्वतंत्र सेनानियों ने आज़ादी के लिए अपने जान तक कुर्बान कर दी। आज भी उन महान व्यक्तियों को याद कर हमारी आंखें नम हो जाती हैं। हमें आज के नए भारत की चकाचौंध में उन महान आत्माओं को कभी नहीं भूलना चाहिए जिन्होंने देश की आज़ादी के लिए अपना सब कुछ न्योछावर कर दिया है। आज इस शुभ अवसर पर आपको संबोधित करते हुए उन महान आत्माओं को मेरा सत सत प्रणाम और श्रद्धांजलि देते हुए अपनी इन बातों का विराम देता हूँ। आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। भारत माता की जय। जय हिंद।
At the outset, I wish you all a very happy and memorable 78th Indian Independence Day to every one of you present here. And it is a ritual that we celebrate important days, national important days like Independence Day and Republic Day, customarily in almost all the organizations across the country, central and state. Though it is customary celebration, every year we go for celebrating as if we just get the independence or we became democratic on that day. Okay, so that is the importance of it. We don't give you the same kind of program. Flag hoisting is the only thing which is repeated. All other things are new. So that gives us a feel that it is on this day that we became independent. It is on that day, 26th January, we became democratic. To remember these days, it is becoming customary for us to remember it by celebrating the day. And on this day at least, we will be speaking about the great freedom fighters who sacrificed their life for releasing us from the clutches of Britishers. At least on this day. Remaining day we won't remember them, right? So at least on this day we have to remember them. So we make it customary to celebrate it. But on the day of remembrance, at least on the day of remembrance, these days are not only marked for remembering the sacrifices or remembering the freedom fighters, this day is also marked to reflect on our own self as a free Indian, a democratic Indian. How am I? How I should be. This realization, if it doesn't happen on these days at least, okay, then that will be a biggest failure on part of us in celebrating. We are the largest country in terms of population in the entire world. We are one single largest democratic country across the world. We have the maximum number of language speaking people here. We have the maximum number of religious people who are living with harmony here. And these are all unique features of a country. No other country in the world has it. And when you remember this, our growth, whether as a country am I growing, if you ask a question, the answer will be always negative. Very simple example that despite being the largest country with maximum number of people living in this country, we could not even secure a single gold in the Olympics recently conducted. Small countries occupied the initial positions. Why it is happening like this if you ask? And our cities, the major cities are the most polluted cities in the world, though we are having a most beautiful country and the largest country. If you keep analyzing our failure, if you keep analyzing our wrong sides, you will find ultimately we will be there in there. We all will be there in there. Most polluted cities, who are living in that? We are only living in it. Who is making it polluted? We are only making it polluted. Okay, so as an Indian, as a citizen, when I fail to do my responsibilities, when I fail to realize my responsibilities, when I wait for somebody to come and correct the system, okay, Indian tata varnam, illa Indian 2 varnam, avaru vandu lanjatha olikidhu, adu varaikum lanjam vaangittu. It is the kind of attitude, you know. It is not something that is in our blood. It is in our attitude. The way of thinking, the way of thought. I should be correct despite anybody is watching me or not. This attitude has to be imbibed in every Indian's mind. Then only the country can be, on the stars, on the sky. Otherwise, we will be thinking that somebody has to come and somebody has to take initiative, somebody has to do the work. It is not my duty. Even on picking up a small debris which is lying on the way, we think that it is a sweeper's duty, it is a corporation people's duty. As long as we maintain this attitude, we will be keep celebrating Independence Day even for next 100 years in the same status, without any further growth. Nobody will make the nation to grow unless otherwise every people in that country want to make themselves grow. Okay? So at least on these days, a day to reflect on our own self, a day to reflect on our own attitude towards the immediate surrounding of me. I don't need to think about nation. I don't think about India. What I am going to do for this country. You don't need to do anything for your country. You do something for your immediate surrounding. When each one of us start doing something for our immediate environment, this small immediate environment becomes a big nation, ultimately. Okay, so charity starts from the unit. Way of thinking starts from the unit. Way of correcting oneself starts from the unit. So, the people have to turn to be a honest one. The people living there want to be living a clean life. The people who are living in the country want to be making others to help to grow. If these qualities are all not nurtured, then the very purpose or the very meaning of getting independence is absolute waste. If you look at the freedom fighters, you saw the Balvatika students who presented wonderfully. Okay? So many freedom fighters they projected. For whom they fought? For their independence? Or for their generation? Selfless fight against the slavery. That was the attitude maintained by those freedom fighters. And because of their sacrifices, we enjoy the freedom now. Okay? And we don't want to keep anything for the future generation. Our attitude is, after getting freedom, our attitude is we don't want to keep anything for the future generation. We live absolutely with maximum freedom in this country and leave others. So freedom misused will lead to slavery once again. Remember, independence from slavery is freedom. The freedom obtained is misused, it will lead to once again a slavery. Okay, this is the cycle of life, not only for individual, for all, even a nation or country. So I request you on this day, at least every member here, the parents, the students, the teachers, at least to keep yourself asking the question that how good I can be to myself and to my immediate self. How good I can be to myself and to my immediate surrounding. Immediate surrounding may be your home when you are at home. Immediate surrounding may be a common public place when you are in the public place. Immediate surrounding may be a school when you are in the school. How I can be good to myself and to my immediate surrounding if you keep yourself asking and molding yourself, getting refined yourself. Every individual gets refined. A drop makes an ocean. Individual makes the mass and the mass makes the country. Okay? So it has to start from one. And that one has to turn into many. And the many turn into a country's reformation or revolution. Okay? Otherwise you wait for somebody to do some work. That work will happen when it comes. The time comes. Got it? So my message to you all is, on this day at least, okay, each one of you take a pledge to yourself that I will be good to myself and to my immediate surroundings. I will try to do something to myself and at the same time to the immediate surrounding. I will keep myself clean and I will ensure that my immediate surrounding is clean. Okay, when every one of us take up this, then that makes hundreds, hundreds makes thousand, thousand makes million. Okay, and we are having the largest school-going children in the country. If you take the population, the maximum number of children, school-going children are present in our country. It means in another 20 or 30 years, if this generation grows better, we will be ruling the world. Okay, So shaping this generation totally depends on us. How I am, they will be. So if I am not okay and asking them to be okay, they will not be okay. Okay, that's what I am saying, that we have, the adults have, the parents have, inculcate good things in the minds of the students, because they are the one who is going to rule this country in the near future. So with these words, I request each one of you to reflect upon whatever has been stated here, and I congratulate all the students who presented wonderful program within short notice. We have not given much practice. Monday they started, and Wednesday they demonstrated in front of you. Thursday they demonstrated. So that much involvement with which they practiced. I congratulate all the students and also the staff members who trained them, and I thank the parents who had taken time, okay, of your own time, though it is a public holiday, feeling that taking them to the school or participating in the Independence Day is mandatory. So for that very thought processes, I'm very much thankful to you all. And once again, it's my wish to every one of you to have a great day, great Independence Day, a thought-provoking Independence Day, and a self-reflection Independence Day it should be at the end. Wish you all the best. Jai Hind.
Let's welcome our sir with the students who will share the sweetness on this significant day.